In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create an identity theft complaint and affidavit for any personal information, accounts, or inquiries affected by fraud, all within the Creditfixrr software. Click the View icon to open a client's detailed profile and begin the identity theft affidavit process. Select the Identity Theft Affidavit checkbox under Special Dispute to indicate this case requires special identity theft handling. Enter the client's Social Security number required for the complaint and affidavit form. Fill in the driving license number as part of the personal identification information. Enter the street address to accurately identify the victim's residence. Add extra address details, such as an apartment or suite, for complete mailing information. Specify the move-in date to establish address history for the affidavit. Input the daytime phone number, which is essential for follow-up communication. Choose the type of personal information affected by the identity theft from the drop-down. For example, select Employer to highlight that employment information is being disputed. Open the Bureau drop-down to indicate which credit bureau is linked to the issue. Next, open the drop-down to select a company associated with credit inquiries to link to the complaint. Click Add Company to include another credit inquiry company in the complaint. Next, select any accounts that were affected by fraud. Click Save to securely create and store the affidavit as a PDF for future use. To preview or edit the newly created identity theft affidavit, click the Identity Theft Affidavit button. Click the Edit button to update the current identity theft affidavit, or click Preview to review it. Great job! Your identity theft complaint and affidavit form has been created. You can now attach it to any of your dispute letters.